Сәлем достар, бүгін мен индонезиялық досыммен ағылшын тілінде сұхбаттасып көремін. Егер де сізге осындай видео қызық болса, соңына дейін қарап шығыңыз. Hi, how are you doing? Can you tell about yourself? Where are you from?
Thank you, Gulzad. Hi everyone, I'm Gita. I'm from Indonesia. I am Gulzad's friend. We met on Tandem, which is the app for language exchange. And today I'm gonna talk about a few things. Let's get started.
You know, a lot of people from Kazakhstan and Russia go to Bali Coast to spend their summer vacations. So what can you tell about Indonesia? What are the pros and the cons of living in Indonesia?
Indonesia is one of the largest countries in the world, and we have for about 250 million people in here, live in here, work, getting married, and etc. And we have 5 big islands: Sumatra, Java, Borneo or Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Papua. Yeah, you can literally look at maps. We have thousands of islands, the smallest until the biggest. We have a lot of people, like I said, and a lot of culture, a lot of language. It's dialect. It's more like dialect in Indonesian. So every city has their own language, which is, for me, I didn't learn all of the dialect. I'm Balinese, by the way. Hello, if you have come to Bali. I'm Balinese, but I can't speak Balinese fluently. I just know when people say in Balinese, but I can't speak it. I speak Balinese fluently. Instead, I learn English. Even I speak English more fluent than Balinese. I'm still learning English, by the way. Yeah, that's a little bit of Indonesia.
Is English widely spoken language in Indonesia?
Yeah, actually, when I go to the big city, the capital city, I often hear the people talking English with the foreigner. But in my town, in my hometown, in my city, I rarely hear people speaking English, because I think just a few people in here that come from another country, a few foreigners in here. It is a big challenge for me to learn English by myself. I just rely on the online friend like Kulzat and the other friend that I have found on Tandem, and website from British Council, and YouTube video and podcasts and movies and songs. I love that. And stories. I love to read stories in English.
As I know, it has a tropical climate and it has only 2 seasons. What is the best time to visit Indonesia?
Well, if you love the summer, then you should go to Indonesia between May and October. And if you love rainy seasons, like every day is a rainy day, you can come from November to March. And March to May is like a transition. We called it pancaroba, which is the transition seasons between the rainy and the summer.
And what is the most common job in Indonesia?
For disclaimer, this point right here, right now, is based on my opinion. Okay, so in my opinion, the most common job in Indonesia are entrepreneur, even it's not a job, I guess. But nowadays people try to start their own business even they have their own job. And second is being celebrity. Because I watch television, I watch a lot of video on YouTube, and I'll watch a lot of TV show that showed me the new faces of people. So I think so many people in here want to be a celebrity by making the viral video, maybe the silly content, something like that. And the third is IT. Yeah, who doesn't love IT? But I don't. And the fourth is civil servants, because the government will guarantee you even if you can't do work anymore. And yeah, the distraction come. Sorry, even if you can't work anymore, I mean in your retirement, so the government will pay you if you become a civil servant. But if you just a regular employee, you will not have that compensation. It's including policeman, government officer, and the army, and sometimes lecturer, even teacher. You can be a civil servant.
When the coronavirus began here, schools and universities were closed. They switched to online classes, and a lot of people started working from their houses. How did it affect your life? How did you practice physical distancing instead of staying safe and preventing this disease?
When we talk about Indonesia during this pandemic, I'm really sad, really, because people got sick, a lot of people died, and a lot of people lost their jobs. It's really sad, and kids didn't go to school. But the positive things about this pandemic, people being more creative, and people have a lot of time to spend with their families. They start to working out, meditating, and try to help each other, their neighbors, families, and that's the good thing that happened in this situation, this global pandemic. Okay, I think that's enough for today. I hope we can meet another time. Comment down below if you want to see me again with Gulzad. Okay, back to Gulzad. Bye.